Good morning, Wolfpack. Welcome to another edition of Friends Findings Fridays. And actually, this will be our last edition of Friends Findings Fridays because there's no school next Friday. Whoa, crazy time flies, doesn't it? So let's look at what we've done this week in math. We started off with a Minds On challenge called I Notice, I Wonder. So here we have on the left-hand side is a word problem, and on the right-hand side was sort of the solution working things out, trying to figure out how to solve that word problem. So some of you noticed that on the right-hand side, the numbers skip by 900 hours every year from grade 1 all the way up to grade 12. Another notice that we had was that they are both the same, but one side has words and the other side has, of course, more numbers. Great thinking, you guys. Then for I wonder, I wonder why it didn't say the grade 12s are the smartest because they've been through all the grades. That was very quick thinking. Without even problem solving, that student recognized that, hey, we're in school for all the way up to grade 12, so we must be expert learners by that point. Great job. Another wonder that we had was, I wonder how many days are 10,000 hours. Great thinking, you guys. I love hearing your thoughts. So after that, we moved on to Work on It Wednesday, where I gave you guys a word problem to solve. And this was around James and the Giant Peach. So let me reread that word problem for us. We are on chapter 16 of James and the Giant Peach. There are a total of 38 chapters. If we read 2 chapters a week, how many weeks will it take to finish the book? So it was great seeing many of you use the 5 steps process for problem solving, right? Which was to read it, reread it, plan it, solve it, and then, of course, check it. So it was awesome seeing the different types of thinking. A lot of you broke it up into the 2 steps, like the example that we used on Work on It Wednesday, where first you had to do a subtraction, figure out how many chapters are left, and then move on to doing a division to find out, okay, so this is how many chapters, and I'm going to do 2 a week. So how many weeks will that take? And the answer, of course, was 11 weeks. So great work, everyone. I like how another interesting strategy that we got to see was it was almost more like multiplication, grouping it. So this student here recognized, okay, I'm going to do 2 chapters a week, and then they counted out all the way until they reached 38 chapters using groupings of 2, and there were 11 groupings of 2. So great job. So at the end of the week now, I have a new challenge for you to consider for today and over the weekend is to create your own word problem for the 3 to 5 team of educators. See if you can stump us. I would love to see what you guys come up with. Take care. See you next week.